Hello buddies, it's me Anu, your math enthusiast again from channel Class 6 Maths who wants every kid to fall in love with maths. Till now we have done basics of integers, number line, addition and subtraction of integers and various exercises of NCERT book. And in this last video we are going to do the last exercise of this topic. Those who haven't seen the previous topics or want to revise them, then you can check it out on my channel with the name of integers playlist. I hope all of you are gaining from my videos and you're finding maths much easier. Then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Without any further ado, let's begin. Exercise 6.3, question number 1, find. So this first question is of subtraction and there are two methods of doing these questions. First is using additive inverse, second is the regular method. Firstly, I'll explain additive inverse. So what is that? Let's quickly revise class. Additive inverse is when we have two same numbers with opposite sign and when we add them the answer is 0. For example, we have minus 3 and 3 and when we add them the answer comes out to be 0. So 3 and minus 3 are additive inverse of each other and additive inverse can be used in subtraction, right? So this is a question of subtraction. Here what will happen? Minus sign will change into plus sign and here we will write the additive inverse of second number. Here it is 20. So it's additive inverse of 20. So what is additive inverse of 20? Minus 20. So what we are going to write here? 35 minus 20. Now we are going to solve it using the regular method, that is opposite sign subtraction is happening. So 35 minus 20 is 15 and sign will come of bigger number, that is 35. So it's positive 15. Moving to B part, 72 minus 90. So it is 72 plus additive inverse of 90. So what is additive inverse of 90 class? It's positive number, so additive inverse will be minus 90. So it's 72 minus 90. Now regular method, that opposite sign subtraction is happening and sign will come of bigger number, that is 90. So 90 minus 72 is 18 and sign is coming of number 90. So it's minus 18. Moving to C part, minus 15 plus additive inverse of minus 18. So here we have negative numbers, so its additive inverse will be positive, right? So here it will be minus 15 plus 18, right? Because additive inverse of minus 18 is plus 18. Now same method, opposite sign subtraction is happening and sign will come of bigger number, that is 18. So it is 3, that is positive 3. Now I will repeat all the three parts of question number 1 using the regular method, and you can use any method to solve these questions. You know, that's the beauty of this subject. Like for a particular question, there are numerous methods of solving it, right? So let's do that regular method now. A part is 35 minus 20. Firstly, we will remove the brackets. So the rule that we're going to use is that if we have minus sign outside the bracket, then the inner sign will change. If we have plus sign, it will become minus. If we have minus, it will change into plus. So here, because 20 is positive, so it is, the sign is changing to negative. That is, it is minus 20 now. The next rule that we are going to use is that if we have opposite sign, then subtraction is going to happen and sign will always come of bigger number. So here we have opposite sign of integers, one is positive, other is negative. So we have 15 and sign will come of bigger number, that is 35. So we have plus 15. B part, 72 minus 90. Again, when we are opening the bracket, outside we have minus sign. So inner sign is positive, it will change to negative. So it's minus 90. Then again we have opposite sign, subtraction is going to happen and sign will come of bigger number, that is 90. So 90 minus 72 is 18, but 90 is greater, so we have minus 18. C part, minus 15. Again, outside negative sign, so inner sign is changing. Minus will change into plus. So it will be plus 18. Again, opposite signs are there, so subtraction is happening and sign is coming of bigger number, that is 18. So we have positive 3. Moving to D part. Yeah, so D part is minus 20 minus 13. Again, let's open the bracket. So we have minus 20 minus 13, because inner sign of 13 is positive, it is changing to negative. Now we have same sign. So when we have same sign, either both are positive or both are negative, then what happens? Addition happens and sign will always come of bigger number. So 20 and 13 we are going to add and we are going to get 33, and sign will come of 20, that is bigger number, so minus 33. E part, let's open the bracket. So outside we have negative sign, inner sign is also negative, so negative changes to positive. So it is plus 12. Again same sign, that is both are positive, so addition is happening. So 23 plus 12 we have 35, and sign is coming of bigger number, that is 23. So it's positive 35. Then F part, let's open the brackets again. Minus 32. Again we have minus outside, so inner sign is going to change. Inner sign is negative, it changes to positive, so it is plus 40. Now we have opposite sign of integers, so subtraction is going to happen. 40 minus 32 is 8, sign will come of bigger number, so it is positive 8. Moving ahead. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to sign. So here we have to solve both the right hand side and left hand side, then we can compare them. So firstly let's solve left hand side. So we have minus 3, we are opening the bracket, so we have positive sign outside, so inner sign is maintained. So minus 3 minus 6. Here we have same sign, so addition is going to happen, so it's minus 9, sign is coming of bigger integer. Then right hand side minus 3, outside we have negative sign, so inner sign will change from minus to plus, so minus 6 will become plus 6. So here now we have opposite sign, subtraction is going to happen and sign will come of bigger integer. So 6 minus 3 is 3, so it's positive 3. And if we compare minus 9 and 3, obviously positive number is always greater than negative number. So 3 is greater. B part, minus 21 minus of minus 10. So here also left hand side and right hand side is there. So let's open the brackets. Minus 21, outside minus, so inner sign of minus is changing to plus 10. Now opposite sign, subtraction is happening. So 21 minus 10, we have 11. Sign is coming of bigger number, that is 21, so it's minus 11. Right hand side minus 31, because we have positive outside the bracket, so inner sign is maintained, it remains as it is. Now we have same sign, addition is happening and sign is coming of bigger number, that is 31, so it's minus 42. Now we have to compare to negative numbers, and if you remember from my previous videos, I explained that a number lying on right hand side of the number line is always going to be greater than number lying on. This is regarding number line, right? So if we try to write the numbers on number line, it will be minus 11, minus 12 and so on, then minus 42. So minus 11 is on the right hand side. So minus 11 is greater. Moving ahead to the C part, in this also we have right hand side and left hand side. So if we have to compare, then we are going to solve both the sides. So first let's solve left hand side. So we are going to open the brackets. Again, if we have negative sign outside the bracket, the inner sign is going from negative to positive. So it will become plus 11, and 45 plus 11, we have 56. And moving to right hand side, if we solve it, 57, because positive sign is there outside the bracket, so inner sign is maintained. So it's 57 minus 4, and that is 53. And it's very easy that 56 is greater than 53. Moving to D part, again we have to open the bracket, so it's minus 25. We have negative sign outside, so inner sign will change from minus to plus. So that's plus 42. Then we have opposite sign, so subtraction is going to happen. So it's 42 minus 25, it's 17, and sign will come off bigger number, that's 42. So it's positive 17. And in right hand side also, let's open the bracket, it's minus 42. Again minus sign, so inner sign will change from minus to plus. So it's plus 25. So 42 minus 25, again subtraction because we have opposite sign. So it's 17, but sign will come off bigger number. So it's minus 17. And we know that positive number is always greater than negative number. So it's very easy that positive 17 is greater than negative 17. So moving ahead to the question number 3. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks. So A part is minus 8 plus dash equal to 0. So class, here we are talking about additive inverse. In the previous video I explained it, but I'll repeat it again. Additive inverse means when two integers with opposite sign are added, the resultant is 0. For example, we have minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So two integer, one is positive, other is negative, and when we add them, the resultant is 0. So in the same manner here, we have one negative integer minus 8, opposite of that is positive integer, that is plus 8, and the resultant is 0. Moving to B part, 13 plus dash equal to 0. 13 is positive, opposite of that is minus 13. So the resultant is 0. C part, 12 plus minus 12 equal to 0. So here one is positive integer, other is negative, and the sum is 0. D part is very interesting class, so please all of you pay attention. Minus 4 plus dash equals to minus 12. So we have to find this number. So first of all, I'm observing that when I'm adding something, the value here is increasing, right? Increasing means which operation is happening? Addition operation, right? So if addition is happening, then that is possible when we have same sign, right? Same sign, either both positive or both negative, then only addition is going to happen. 4 is negative, so this number is going to be negative, right? And then we know that to 4, 8 should be added to get 12, right? So let's check our answer. Same sign, addition is happening, 4 plus 8 is 12, and sign is coming off bigger number. So I hope it's clear, everyone. Moving to D part. We are subtracting 15 from a number and we're getting minus 10. So the value is decreasing here. From 15 it's decreasing. So it means what is happening? Subtraction is happening. And when do we subtract? When we have opposite sign, right? When opposite sign is there, then we do subtraction. So it means if 15 is negative, this number is going to be positive. So what should be subtracted from 15 to get 10? So it's obviously 5. So let's check our answer. Opposite sign, subtraction is happening, and sign is coming off bigger number. So it's absolutely correct. So it's minus 10. I hope I did justice to this question. If still any confusions, class, please don't hesitate. Write all your queries in the comment box and I would love to revert back, right? So moving ahead to question number 4. Find. A part is minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25. So as usual, we are firstly going to open the bracket. So it's minus 7, minus 8. If we have negative sign outside the bracket, the inner sign is going to change from minus to plus. So this is plus 25. Then solving first two integers, same sign. Addition is going to happen. So 7 plus 8 is 15. Sign is going to come off bigger number. So it's minus 15 plus 25. Now we have opposite sign. So subtraction is going to happen and sign will come off bigger number, that is 25. So 25 minus 15 is 10. Moving to B part. Let's open the brackets again. Minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. So let's solve first two and last two integers. So again in the first two integers opposite sign is there, so subtraction is going to happen. So 32 minus 13 is 19 and sign is going to come off bigger number, that is 32. And in the last two again we have same sign, so addition is going to happen. 9 8 plus 1 is 9. Sign is going to come of bigger number, that is 8. So now we have opposite sign, 19 minus 9. One is positive, other is negative. So subtraction is going to happen. So 19 minus 9 is 10. Sign is going to come of bigger number. So the answer is plus 10. Moving to C part, minus 7 plus bracket minus 8 plus bracket minus 90. So again, let's remove the brackets first. So it's minus 7, minus 8 and minus 90. Because outside the bracket, all the signs were positive. So inner sign was maintained. Now let's solve first two integers. So same sign, addition is going to happen. 7 plus 8 is 15. Sign is coming of bigger number 8. So it's minus 15, minus 90. Same sign again, addition is happening. 15 plus 90, we have 105 and sign is coming of bigger number, that is 90. So it's minus 105. D part, 50 minus 40 minus then bracket minus 2. So let's remove the brackets. So here we have negative sign outside the bracket. So here negative is changing to positive. And here also negative is changing to positive. So it's plus 40 plus 2. So here all the signs are positive. So 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 plus 2 gives us 92. I hope quite easy class. Still any confusions? Please don't hesitate to write your doubts in the comment box. And if you all are liking my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye-bye. See you all with the next chapter.